just pick it up and throw it on the floor.
Bailey just sits there and
what? You want to bring the doggies in? Bring the dogs in and let them eat off the floor? Huh? What?
Look at that fist of
Tell you, for
pancakes.
happiness, he's got that.
Who likes pancakes? Do you like pancakes? Yes, your Mickey Mouse pancake. Dogs.
Doggy, Mickey Mouse. We can make a doggy pancake. Bud, get out the batter.
He's got food all over that chair.
Yeah, out on the floor.
no,
Careful, you're walking
food
it.
everywhere.
Oh no!
Food everywhere. Good. Good.
That's the same seat Cindy's mom has.
Is that good? Good. Good. Good done. Good done.
Bud? Is that Bud? He said Bud.
Say good done. Good.